You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? You're looking at how to say a toy in French. How do you pronounce this word? We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary in French as well, so stay tuned to learn more. Jouet, jouet. So depending on the region, might be said as jouet with an e sound, or more in the south of France, it'd be said as jouet, jouet with an e sound. Both are correct, it's just a question of accent. Jouet, jouet. Two different ways, but don't worry, jouet. You can say the T is silent, is how to say a toy in French. Jouet, un jouet, ou le jouet. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.